Good morning and welcome to Kingsbridge. My name is Harry. I'm just going to show you around this 2019 69 Aston Martin Vantage V8 that has just landed in stock with us. This one is a two-owner car, full Aston Martin service history with just over 17,000 miles on it. Finished in the very lovely Xenon Grey metallic with a really deep metallic fleck. Beautiful colour. This one has also had front end PPF fitted to the bumper and the bonnet, and you've also got some PPF, extended PPF on that rear quarter there just to protect those vulnerable areas. You'll notice you've got the satin anthracite grey 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels, the full gloss black exterior pack. And then the thing that I like the most about this one is it's got a full Alcantara interior, which looks absolutely stunning. Red brake calipers, really well taken care of its entire life, this car. The colour's just insane. So just looking in here, you've got the, as I mentioned, full Alcantara interior with a Vantage stitched into the headrests. The service history here, sorry if used a thing there to keep it open. Full Aston Martin service history, as I mentioned. If you do want to read through these in a bit more detail, just pause the video. And the last one being completed there at the end of this time last year, so we'll be due another one, which we'll be getting done. Comes with the original key box with the two main keys and the extra key blades, so 3 keys in total. Obviously electric heated memory seats both sides. Really lovely example, this one. It's fitted with the sports exhaust, finished in black. That smoked rear tail light, the big gloss black diffuser on there. Again, bodywork's just in lovely condition. It's been very well cared for, this car. Sorry about the fingerprints, I think the boys have been having a good look over it. There you go, the driver's zone there with the half Alcantara steering wheel. Obviously got satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, etc. Then you've got your suspension settings, your Sport and Sport Plus and Track. You see the mileage there, 17,034 miles. Again, all that Alcantara all the way through the cabin, even in that transmission tunnel. Your dual climate control, heated seats, push button start, reverse drive. This one's also got the 360 cameras on this one, so if I just pop this in reverse, it's going to tell me off for the door being open. That camera does work, it's just because the door's open. Shouting at me. There you go, 360 cameras on there as well, and then all of your satellite navigation, radio, Bluetooth, etc. all in there. A couple of cup holders, some storage under there. We've put the key tag, and then all of your information on there, which you can scroll through, which will show you mile per gallons, etc, and range. Flappy paddles in a lovely aluminium. These aluminium anodised door pulls there. Automatic lights, wipers, etc. as you'd expect. Blind spot monitoring, you'll notice the little triangle. Don't know if you can see it, it's here. Anyway, so that's got blind spot monitoring as well, this one. But just a mega example, great history, only 2 owners. I think both owners own this car for about 3 years each. The sound's absolutely incredible. These drive brilliant, and that colour combination is just something else. So if you are interested in this one, we'll put a link to the full advert in the description box below. And if you want to speak to any one of the team here, we'll be very happy to help you on this. Can't see this one lasting very long. But there you go, that is our fresh into stock Aston Martin Vantage with the best angle of that car, in my opinion. Thanks for watching, we shall see you on the next one.